Hey guys, it's Mike from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition Replacement Engine Oil Filter Cap Assembly. This engine oil filter cap assembly works on various Toyota, Lexus, and Scion vehicles from 2005 to 2021. A few common vehicles include the 2013 to 2018 Lexus ES300h, 2010 to 2011 Toyota 4Runner, and the 2007 to 2021 Toyota Tundra. However, for a full list, please review below or reach out to us to make sure this fits your vehicle. What your engine oil filter cap does is it holds your oil filter in place securely. However, this upgrade replaces the plastic one, which is frequently over-tightened and is known to break even just after a few oil filter replacements. While this engine oil filter cap assembly is not a genuine OEM part, it does have the same OEM fit, quality, and finish throughout, as it is designed to be a direct replacement, meant to fit and work just like the original. However, as you can tell, this one's made of premium aluminum metal and includes the necessary O-ring for tight installation. Speaking of installation, the installation of an engine oil filter cap on your Toyota can be something you easily do yourself during an oil change process. Obviously, you may need some specific tools to get the original one off, but once it is, this goes in their original mounting location. One thing, make sure that mounting location is nice and clean, so all the debris where you screw this part in is cleaned, and the O-ring is seated properly where it's supposed to. If you have any questions about this replacement engine oil filter cap assembly, please reach out to us anytime. We're glad to help.